In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get lightning animation in chess.com. If you've seen the lightning style move effect on chess.com and want to enable it on your own account, you're in the right place. This visual effect changes the way piece movements are displayed on the board and can make games feel more dynamic and animated. While the appearance of the effect has changed over time, it's still available through the board animation settings, and in this tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to find it. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to chess.com. Once the website loads, sign in to your account if necessary. After you're logged in, you'll need to open a chessboard because the animation settings are available from within a game. You can start any game you like. For example, you can choose to play against the computer or open another board where you can access the gameplay interface. The specific type of game doesn't matter, as long as you have a board displayed on your screen. Once you're inside a game and the board is visible, look for the settings icon. This is typically represented by a small gear symbol and provides access to various board customization options. Click on the settings icon to open the available board settings. After the settings menu appears, look for the option labeled animation type. This setting controls how moves and visual effects are displayed while you play. Chess.com offers different animation styles, allowing players to customize the overall look and feel of the board according to their preferences. When you find the animation type setting, click on it and select Arcade from the available options. Arcade mode is the setting associated with the lightning style effect that many players are looking for. Once you've selected Arcade, save your changes to apply the new animation style. After saving the setting, return to the board and make a move or continue your game. You should now see the lightning-inspired animation effect when pieces move across the board. This confirms that the feature has been successfully enabled. It's worth noting that some players remember an earlier version of this effect that looked different from the one currently available. Over time, Chess.com has updated various visual elements, including animations, so the appearance may not exactly match older versions that some users remember. However, Arcade remains the setting that provides the closest experience to the lightning style effect available today. And that's all there is to it. By opening a game, accessing the board settings, and selecting Arcade as your animation type, you can enable the lightning animation effect on chess.com. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like. Subscribe to the channel